Bit on me, isn't he? Southwest. Worcestershire. Are you from the west?
Hello everyone, Scott here, Scott Cowie, the author, the man that wrote this book, Things You Won't Believe About Music, which is currently available on Amazon. And if you've seen my postings on the net, March 5th is the only date that you need to worry about, because the Blue Arrow in Glasgow is the place to be. My book launch, I'll be launching this, come and meet me. And I announced first of all that Martin Kelly was going to be performing at the event, and this man,
that's where I'm going to be as well,
Zal
on March the
Cleminson.
5th.
March the 5th. That's the place to be. He's going to play, I'm going to play.
That's the place to be.
Look at that.
There's the place to be on March the 5th.
Look at that.
Look.
That's a book, and you should
This
fucking
man
read
is
it.
the author of that book.
Hey, you heard it here first.
Yes.
March 5th, Blue Arrow, Glasgow. Come along, we love you.
Bye.
Alright ladies, giving the Syndogs fans a wee behind the scenes what goes on in the Syndogs dressing room. So,
Well, if you want,
Scott, would you like to take us off on what actually happens
if
backstage?
you're asking me what's happening, I'll tell you what's happening, David.
Just in case you don't know, ladies and gentlemen, Scott has a book out.
It's called Things You Won't Believe About Music. It's a collection of tales, anecdotes and facts about the weird and wonderful world of music. March 5th is the date to put in your diary, because I will be performing at the Blue Arrow Jazz Club in Glasgow, and announced today Zal Cleminson from Zal Cleminson and the Syndogs, and from the Sensational Alex Harvey Band, and from Nazareth, and from Cowan.
Elkie Brooks, Bonnie
Absolutely.
Tyler.
The list goes on, but at the top of the book list right now, of the book that everyone's talking about, is Things You Won't Believe About Music by me, Scott Cowie, 5th of March. Come to Blue Arrow in Glasgow and buy my fucking book. It's on Amazon, and it's brilliant. Look at the picture. It's got pictures in it, which is the mark of any good book. Yeah, that's what's happening, baby. Apart from that, nothing. How are you?
Very well.
Big news for me is, see this here? 2-0 against St Johnstone. Back to winning ways. We're going to beat the new club, meeting again soon. Is that right, Rocks?
Sorry, did I say wanker? I meant wanker! Okay, I think we'll call it a day there. Give everybody a hello and a bye, and
Hello, bye, my book.
Cheers.
and on that note, Davy Boy will be entertaining Mr. Jim for the foreseeable future. Yes. Goodbye.
Barnsley dressing. What flowers go to it, babe? Ask the man in size you then.
Plenty of them in there.
Then what's it? Single code. Faith Healer. It's Faith Healer.
Two, three, four,
Oh, you that? Elephant really? No, it's hold it.
Yeah, 1, 2, 4, yeah, 3, yeah, 1, 2, yeah. Yeah.
Saturday night takeaway.
Just Ant and Deck.
Keen.
So Mike, how's your travels been so far?
Stinking. This man, David Cowan's arse is like something just nuclear. Absolutely disgusting. And I never want to share a room ever again. We don't need petrol or diesel. The van actually just flies down that road on methane gas. Skin dogs, that's what we should be called, because our arses are burning.
But apart from that, you're having a good time, aye?
Apart from that, it's the best time I've ever had this weekend.
And tomorrow night's going to be something special.
It certainly is.
Perfect.